found a back road here. I thought it'd be kind of cool. There's all these Chinese walls, rock walls. I don't even know what that old building used to be there. The Wagner Ranch. This used to be the old highway, long time ago. My buddy Doug. Well, this is Doug Black. We're on a ride up here at Copperopolis. Ain't much up here, but the coolest bar ever, Old Corner. You know it's a cool bar when they got motorcycle parking and even pretty lines to keep you in line. Doug doesn't follow lines. He says, I don't follow rules.
I thought it was on the line.
That's why he bought a motorcycle. He says, I don't follow rules. Either that or he likes to do lines, but he's on the line. Anyway, this is a cool place. They got rooms upstairs. If you get too drunk, you can stay. It's got a real homey feel. This is one of the oldest continuously operating bars in California. I don't know, I would say the world, because California is my world. They're having fun inside somewhere. We're on the outside. We've already been inside. Oh, we're up here at Lake Tulik. Kind of watching people on jet skis. Over there is the old Poker Flat. There's a lot of bike rallies over there over the years. That's a cool spot. This is a neat little lake. We actually just stopped to take a piss. I don't know where Doug went. He's still hiding. I don't know. Just a little pull out, but it's a cool spot. You can go right down. There's trails. You go down there fishing. Circling. Get on it. What's up? Well, here we are hanging out in Knight's Ferry. We stopped at the jail. I don't know if it was down the street back that way before the store, but we figured, well, hell, we'll stop right here in town. Got a good little spot to park. We got a picnic bench. Got a couple cigars, I think. The river's right down here below us. There's some stuff to read about Knight's Ferry. But yeah, this is a good little park. I've stopped here before. You got the river down there. Let's go look, see what the river looks like. There's the trail if you want to go through it, but I'm not going through all that. Just peek over these people's fence. The river's kind of up right now. I guess they're trying their best to empty our lakes. It doesn't need to be that full, but they got it that full. It's running good. I gotta get that telescopic fishing pole I ordered. I guess it's on back order because I got a 7-foot pole. I think I bought 2 of them. Telescopic pole, medium heavy. Should be pretty good. We can catch bass and everything with it. But I'm still waiting to get it. So we're gonna kick back on this little picnic bench and have us a beer before we have to go back and be civilized people and go to work tomorrow. We're not looking forward to being civilized people. We're too busy terrorizing everyone. This guy got his motor worked on, got cam work, got shit done. Fuck, he's smoking my ass. All of a sudden he turned into a wild man.
Nah.
I'm having to hang back going, come on, man. Let's not die today.
No. Want to interview?
All right, yeah, Doug. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about your bike.
Well, my name is Doug Black. I'm 41 years old, and I bought this a year ago. And the dude that had it was not very good at doing exhaust, so I redid the exhaust. I did Reinhardt True Duals.
Yeah, those Reinhardts. Let's look at the other side.
Of course, not California legal, but I'm not bragging on that.
Well, it's racing only, and we're racing most of the time, so I think you're still legal.
Also, I did triple deuce cams and the Woods triple deuces, and then I tuned it, and she runs like a raped ape now.
So 103, right?
New tires, 103.
What year's your bike?
2015. I did the Karyukin low pedal, so I don't have to kill my hip.
Yeah. Who talked you into that?
The rear brake.
Who?
I thought of it on my own, but Clint McGraw put it on for me.
But who was the one that brought it to your attention?
I think Brian did.
Me. But I haven't changed mine yet. Sort of jealous because I haven't changed the suggestion that I early on. I said, hey, the brakes on these things suck. You can't hardly reach this like a tractor.
Yeah, it's great, but he still hasn't done his yet.
Yeah, see, here's what we're talking about. It's like a tractor, man. You got to pick your foot up to get to the brake. And so he's got the lowered one.
It lays down perfect.
It lays down where all you got to do is lift your toe. And it's out forward a little bit.
It's a safety measure.
And I want that, and I just haven't done it. I'm lazy.
Safety measures.
I tried to get it done in Sturgis with JP Cycles, and they had it. I just didn't want to wait for them to put it on. Anyway, we're back down here at my river hole. My old river hole. This is probably the last stop for the night. I don't know. Maybe not. Could be the last stop. It's always the last stop until you stop again.
Till you stop again.
The river's beautiful. So yeah, we've been having a pretty good ride. No destination. The bikes are deciding where we're going. They just keep telling us where we're going, and we just keep riding them. So yeah, right on, man. Well, we made it back to Doug's house, all safe and everything. I think he's gonna barbecue me a steak or something.
Do it.
I'm just kidding. Anyway, it's been a great ride. The sun is almost down. I'm gonna get home before it gets dark. I just gotta go back to Modesto. We're out here in the country. Listen to that. Frogs.
Oh, yeah, mostly
That's frogs. There's a goose out there too. I don't know if you can see it. It's way out there. I can see it. Lots of frogs. I love the country. Oh, Doug, he's got a good spot here. This is just one of his spots. He's got another spot in Missouri. He's got a few spots. Anyway.
Ride those roads.
Yeah, we got to go to his place out there. He's got cattle out there. Right on, man. Good ride, huh?
Awesome day.
Awesome day. We're good. See you on the next one.